Hello everybody, I'm here with a review. Today I am reviewing the Hawaiian Style Chicken grilled boneless skinless chicken thigh meat and teriyaki with pineapple, with teriyaki sauce with pineapple. First I wasn't going to get it because I don't know about that pineapple. But pineapple tastes good on, some meats like ham and stuff. So I'm going to warm this up and I'm going to come back and I'm going to start eating it. I'm going to drink some water and tell you what I think about this product. It has 180 calories and it has 550 milligrams of sodium. I'm going to go and warm it up and then I will be back. This is what the Hawaiian Style Chicken looks like on my plate. Okay, it's supposed to be 3 servings. I'm not going to eat all this, but I'm going to start. So let me get a little bit of this water here. And start eating this chicken. So I got a little bit here. Oh, that's not chicken. That's the pineapple. And the pineapple had that sauce on it. And it tastes good with that sauce on it. I'm so surprised. This chicken is good, y'all. This chicken is good. I didn't have that much hope for this because a lot of that packaged stuff, they say is good, but here's another pineapple. They say it's good, and then it's usually blah, blah, blah. That's that pineapple. It has a sweet taste to that sauce. The thigh meat is perfect. I'm not a big fan of chicken thighs. I can eat it. Like my mom make the skinless boneless. This is skinless boneless too. This is so good. Yum, yum, yum. I forgot how much I paid for this, but the price wasn't that bad. And they're saying 3 servings. This would be perfect to take it to work for lunchtime. It would be perfect, y'all. You just have to be careful with all the sauce getting on your clothes and stuff, but that stuff is good. That's why it's good to try them different things, because you try it one time and if you don't like it, don't try it no more. But if you get something good like this, whenever you see it, get it. This could be good for your entire family. Just buy a lot of pack of these if you have a big family. Add you some sides like some broccoli or some rice. And you got yourself a nice, good meal. You can see where the meat was grilled. You see those grill marks? Yum, yum, yum. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. This video is not sponsored. I paid for it with my own money. So this is the Hawaiian Style Chicken, grilled boneless, skinless chicken thigh meat in teriyaki sauce with pineapple. Fully cooked, just heat and serve. And that's right, you just heat and serve it. So I could sit here and be greedy and eat all of it, but I'm not. I'm gonna save some for later. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, y'all. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Okay, I will be back soon with some more videos. A lot of my videos now are pre-recorded. Some are, scheduled because I needed time to do some other things. I didn't want to take a whole lot of time away from YouTube. But you will be seeing a lot of videos, but not all of them are, a lot of them are scheduled. Okay? All right, bye, y'all.